Solar panels have become a necessity in our day-to-day lives. There can be power outage or you are going out for camping into the wilderness. So how do you know which are the best portable camping solar panels in the market? There are so many doubts that surround us when we think of purchasing a solar panel, especially which product to trust. And we will answer all the related questions and give you a list of best buyer's tip that can help you in purchasing a solar panel from the market. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Before giving the buying tips, we wanted to clear three things here. There are three types of solar panels available in the market. One is monocrystalline solar panel, second is polycrystalline solar panel, third is thin film solar panels, and these are available in the market. Monocrystalline solar panels. These are pricey yet highly efficient solar panels. Their efficiency is almost affected by shading and dirt. Polycrystalline solar panels. These are slightly less efficient and inexpensive compared to monocrystalline panels. These are also having the longer lifespan compared to monocrystalline solar panels. And the last, thin film solar panels. Thin film solar panels perform better in higher temperatures and hot climate, cloudy weather, or even in the partial shading conditions. These are also the least expensive as compared to the other two and are lightweight, most foldable. Here is a list of 5 simple buyer's tips that you need to know before making a purchase for solar panels. Number 1. Size of the panel. While camping, the most important rule is to pack light and carry all the essentials. Since we have established the solar panels that are essential for our camping trip, we need to make sure that these are compact and will not take much space when we are setting up a tent. In short, we need small solar panels for camping. Number 2. Dust and waterproof. Your solar panels for camping must be weather resistant and also the dust resistant as you set out for the camping trip. This is because you don't want to get stuck without power in case the weather takes a turn and your panels has failed to store the energy. Number 3. Power output or storage capacity. Estimating your energy demands is vital before you invest in a solar panel. You need to determine what kind of appliances do you want to carry with your camping site and for how long do you want to run them. This way you will be able to calculate your daily energy consumption while in camp. Also take into the account what kind of climate do you usually prefer for your camping trip. This will help you in finding the best portable camping solar panel for your trip. Number 4. Price. While purchasing electrical unit makes it essential that you get the one that has better features and a longer lifespan. So even in the best ones you can be little pricey. It can be one-time investment if purchased smartly. So think before you make a right purchase. Number 5. Portable or fixed solar panels. Portable solar panels are easy to set up as they don't particularly need to be installed and are excellent in case you are an avid traveler. Fixed panels, if you travel by car or RV, these can be set on the rooftop and charged while you are going onto the road. So these can be a great addition depending on how much sun your vehicle gets. Before ending this video here, why don't you check out our website Camping Hunt, where we have written a lot of articles regarding how and what to do when you're going out for camping. Please check it out, link will be in the description box below. This was the end of our video. We hope you liked our video. If you did so, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys are not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the post notification button so that you will be notified every time we'll be posting some amazing content like this. See you guys in the next one.